The 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 SL. This is a crew cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This GMC features alloy wheels, towing package, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, keyless entry, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.